So Criteo has been providing performance solution, mainly retargeting, and now we have our offer is around 3 pillars. The first one is acquire, so acquire, generate new visit on site for our clients. The second one is about converting these people into clients. The third one is re-engaging with these people, once they are part of your CRM, let's say. We are building a new tech stack around platforms. We want to give to retailers to monetize their inventory. They know they are sitting on a pile of data, and data is gold, and they want to know how to use it. And we believe we have an edge here because we have access to amazing shopper data. We cover more than 74% of shoppers worldwide. In terms of data, we have AI that's pretty strong, built for commerce. And so we want to bring that to them so they can operate their monetization themselves.
So who will be the customers for this platform?
I think every retailer could do it. We are first focusing on, of course, the biggest retailers with the manpower to operate these kind of platforms. But as we build it, it will be more scalable in time, and so even small retailers will be able to use it. So I think that for a while, clients have been focusing on performance, but clearly performance is not everything, and they are asking for more. And so what we are proposing today, we are giving them with a full funnel solution, where advertisers can find value in having performance, transparency, insights. They can have also self-service capabilities. So we are building this acquisition, conversion, and re-engagement platform. And we are going beyond the digital world because with CRM data and being connected with offline world through loyalty cards, we are able to understand not only the online behavior but offline behavior. So the world has changed a lot, in the last years, not only in terms of apps or desktop, but also in terms of behaviors. And that's where we are. We are helping our clients to move forward in that world and help them navigate this world.
How has the demand side changed?
So it's been evolving, I think, also under the influence of decisions like GDPR. I mean, clearly customers and users want to be in control of what they see, what they are being recommended. So that's one. And clients also want to be more in control and have more transparency on what is being done, with their ads and where they are being played. So we are now proposing all this. So in the time, it was not necessary to do that. I think, for the last year and a half, I mean, it's just mandatory to be able to propose that to your clients. Yeah, I think for publishers, I mean, the whole idea has always been the same, is having access to direct demand from retailers at scale. And retail demand has always been something really quite tough to capture for normal publisher. Retailers are looking for performance, so they need to have a solution that's empowering them and bringing that performance, and publisher now can benefit from a new demand, of these retailers. We are trying also to develop some solution for them to help them with their monetization, and I think that their most important thing is trying to improve on their yield capabilities. And so we are proposing all this, direct demand at scale and yield capabilities for them to monetize better their inventory. So we are doing well in that front. In terms of relevancy, retailers are expecting performance, they are expecting sales. That's how they fight against Amazon. They're also expecting tools to help them monetize their data, and that's what we are doing. We are helping them with sponsored product on site, some performance on off-site campaigns, as well as with, we acquired recently a company called Store Retail, little French company, but proposing very neat native advertising built for retail. And so by offering all this to retailers, we are helping them to understand the customer journey from acquisition to conversion and re-engagement. And I mean, it's definitely relevant for them if they want to continue to sell product to their customers while taking into account the customer's expectation for what should be an unforgettable shopping experience. Well, it's good. I love this show. Reason for that is I can meet all my German clients at once. We look back on 2018, we prepare 2019, and it's a unique opportunity to meet with them, as well as meeting with all the publishers worldwide. So it's the only show I never miss.